Hi, I'm RJ with Savage here at Industry Day at the Range 2022 with our new 110 PCS. PCS stands for Pistol Chassis System. So this is essentially a 110 rifle that we've been making for over 50 years. It's just shrunk down. So we've got a 10.5-inch barrel and an MDT LSS chassis that has a Picatinny rail at the rear, pistol grip, M-lock slots at the front, so you can attach any M-lock accessory. Available in multiple calibers. This one we have is a 300 blackout. We have a left-hand bolt, right-hand eject. And so when you're actually on the gun, on bags, you have something to support the gun since there is no traditional buttstock. You can buy any aftermarket pistol brace that'll attach to here. So they run off of AICS magazines. So let's put a few rounds downrange.
Nice. Pretty cool. Uh-oh. I'm not used to lefty.
That's weird.
Interesting.
Kind of need a
Where's it
different
sighted in
scope
at?
with more eye
It's
relief.
sighted in for the 100-yard plates there, I think.
In front of the berm?
Yeah.
In front of that little berm?
Yep. This is a scout scope, and that's the question, like, what scope fits best on this gun?
Right, you need
right.
10 inches of eye relief.
Yeah, so Vortex supplied all the scopes, but honestly, Leupold has the perfect scope, I think, for this.
What's
They
that?
have a VX3, but it's a handgun scope. So
Okay.
it's like a 2 to